Hello, my name is Marie. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm participating in Crafted by Corey's Minis Challenge. The theme is Fall, Thanksgiving, and Christmas. We'll talk more about that a little later. So with that being said, on to DIY number 1. For the first DIY, here are the items needed. The mini cutting boards are from Target's Dollar Spot. Rub-on transfers are from Dollar Tree, and the ribbons are from Hobby Lobby. You'll also need some paint colors of your choice. I'll be using these 2 colors to paint these. I'm also going to dry brush these using black paint from the Dollar Tree. Here's how they look after the dry brushing. I chose these words to put onto the cutting boards. Here's how they look so far. I'll add the bows and I'll be back with the reveal. Here's how they both turned out. I added some stickers and I think they turned out adorable, perfect for a tiered tray. So today I'm participating in Crafted by Corey's Minis Challenge. The host is Corey, and I'll be sure to leave the channel link for this talented lady as well as a playlist for the other creators in the description box. So with all that being said, on to the next DIY. For the next easy DIY, you'll need a miniature rolling pin. I got this from Woodpeckers Crafts for 61 cents. They also sell these in a pack at Hobby Lobby. I'll be using the rub-on transfers again, some paint, and a miniature bow. I painted this off camera, and I chose the word happiness. I found this cute ribbon at Hobby Lobby. I'll change out the bow and I'll be back with the reveal. Here's the rolling pin. I paired it up with the cutting boards and I think this makes a cute and adorable display. For the next DIY, you'll need this house sign. I got it from Target's Dollar Spot for $3. A mini hay bale and pumpkin pick from the Dollar Tree. This miniature tree I picked up from Michael's, and you'll need a foam sheet, paint, and a glue gun. I used some Waverly white chalk paint as a base coat, and now I'll go in with some candy apple red. Here are the barn doors and a small window I've cut out of the foam sheet. I used scissors and an X-Acto knife for the intricate part of the barn doors. I'll adhere the window and doors, I'll add the embellishments, and then I'll be back with the reveal. Here's how the barn turned out. I added a truck from the Dollar Tree. I think this turned out so cute and adorable. It completes this DIY. The next DIY is a very easy craft. Everything here is from the Dollar Tree except for the leaves. I got those at Michael's. The squirrel is from the Dollar Tree Plus section. You'll also need paint, wood glue, or a glue gun. The first thing I did is paint this squirrel using the cinnamon by Folk Art, and then I'll use a marker for the eye. Next, I'll adhere this wood slice on the stem to make a table. You can use wood glue. I'll just be using my glue gun. Next, I'll add all the embellishments, and then I'll be back with the reveal. Here's a little squirrel gathering up acorns. This little fall scene is so whimsical and adorable. I really love how this turned out. For the last DIY, here are the items you'll need. A pumpkin pie sign from Target's Dollar Spot. The miniature pie garland is from Michael's. A Dollar Tree crate and 2 bird feeder sets, but I'm just going to use a post out of these. If you can't find these, you can also use some popsicle sticks. You'll also need some antique wax, tacky glue, and a glue gun. The first thing I'll do is paint these. Next, I'll adhere the post first using tacky glue. Then I'll apply antique wax with a baby wipe. I removed the hanging twine on the sign and made bows with it to cover up the holes. I'll cut some of this garland to adhere to the sign. I cut the bottom of a small paper Dixie cup to make a little plate for the slice of pie. I found these DIY pins at the Dollar Tree. I colored one orange and I stuck it to the front of the crate. Here's the pumpkin pie stand. I think this turned out so adorable and it's perfect for your fall decor. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments which one of these DIYs was your favorite. And if this is your first time viewing this channel and you like the content, please consider subscribing. I would love to have you here. Thank you for watching, take care, and I'll see you next time. Bye!